Hey guys, and welcome back. What is up? I wanted to film a video today because I was feeling very inspired, and I thought while I was getting ready, why not film a kind of like a chit chat, sit down with me, get ready with me video. It's going to be very simplistic and neutral because I do have work today. It's around 1 o'clock and my shift starts at 3. And I do like to just put a little bit of makeup on just to make myself feel good when I'm like seeing customers or whatever, because I do work retail. But yeah, I wanted to do this video and just kind of chat with you guys as I get ready and talk to you guys about like my future or whatever and how I've been feeling and why I kind of like took a break off of YouTube for 2017 and what my plans are for 2018 with my channel and everything. And I'm obviously going to be showing you guys the products that I'm going to be using. So without further ado, why don't we just get right on start. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is taking my little baby professional primer. I really want to try the Fenty primer, so if anyone that is watching this has tried the Fenty primer, let me know how it is, because I've heard good things about it, but it is a lot of money and I just want to like know everything I can, you know. So I'm just going to be rubbing this into my face and all into my pores, and I thought I would chat with you guys while I get ready. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my go-to drugstore foundation. It's the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation. It is so good. It's full coverage, but it doesn't feel full coverage, if you know what I'm saying. It is absolutely amazing, and I'm just going to take dots and like put this all around my face. And today I'm actually going to be filming 2 videos, so I'm sorry if you see this shirt more than once. Okay, so now I am just going to talk to you guys and kind of update you guys on my life, because I wanted to do like an update video, but I'm like, why not just update you guys in here? But yeah, my life in 2017 was absolutely crazy. I was at one of those points where I absolutely love doing YouTube. Like, YouTube is one of my main hobbies that I realize now, but in 2017 I didn't really like embrace that. I would have no motivation. I would film videos. Like, I have so many videos on my camera, but I just wouldn't have motivation to edit them. And obviously I didn't want to be that person to like hire someone to edit my videos, because I wanted it to come from me. So they kind of just like sat on my memory card, and I was like, oh, like I'll get to editing it like this day, I'll edit it tomorrow, whatever. And it just got to the point where like I wasn't uploading for like months at a time. Like, I would upload one video every month, which like I didn't want to be that YouTuber that promised my subscribers like, okay, so like new videos every week, which like I was doing, and then like the next week came and like I wouldn't upload a video, and I don't want to be that person. So I realized in 2018, okay, so to kind of help me with my inspiration, I'm like the biggest fan of Danielle Carolyn and Kenzie Elizabeth. They are constantly uploading videos. They're uploading like week in my life and like motivational videos, and they actually inspire me to like get a planner and like plan out my life and like plan out my videos, and like I just want to have like the best 2018, and I don't want to let you guys down. So that's why I am. And also I was worried because I was at school. I was a freshman in college, and I didn't want to like kick my roommates out of the room and be like, oh, like I have to film a video, like can you guys leave? I didn't want to be that person. So I was always scared to film a video, and every time I thought they were going to be out of the room, they would like come back. And it just wasn't a good situation. But then I was saying to myself, oh, I will film so many videos over winter break. I think I filmed 1. I was just not motivated at all for YouTube. But now realizing 2018, I want to upload videos like 2-3 times a week. I want to be on top of my game, and I have so many video ideas to put out there that I want to share with you guys, because I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, and I keep saying I want to grow my channel and put the best content out for you guys. But what I was thinking to myself is, yes, I want to grow my channel, and the reason I haven't been uploading is because I don't see a point, because I haven't been getting subscribers. But then I was thinking, okay, well, if you don't put out content, no one's going to find your channel, you know? And I see all these YouTubers like getting opportunities or whatever, and I just want... And I'm not saying I want to be that YouTuber that like gets recognized at the mall, gets like meet and greet opportunities. No. I want my YouTube to be kind of like my, not my second job, but like my second opportunity, because obviously I'm a student in college and that is my main priority. But if you think about YouTubers like Danielle Carolyn and Kenzie Elizabeth, they use their YouTube as like a second way of income and their second hobby. And like I want to be able to share my pictures and my videos with you guys and just have a platform to express myself, if you know what I mean. And I'm not trying to be like, oh, I feel like I have so much potential, like I could be so big, but I feel like I could express myself in a way, if you know what I'm saying. I don't know, I just wanted to rant to you guys about that because I'm sorry in 2017 if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while now and I haven't been uploading content. 2018 I feel will be one of the best years. Oh, and I forgot to say, but I'm using the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer. This was like my OG. I think I got this in like 6th grade. So another thing is that I obviously love filming videos, but sometimes I don't know what videos to film, so that's why I kind of get defeated. So to make 2018 better, I want you guys to comment down below as many video requests as you want. I'm definitely going to be doing an updated dorm tour when I get back to school. I want to try and film week in my lives because I really like when college people do that, just to see like how their colleges are going and how they differ from my school. And if you guys are interested in like URI where I go, I want you guys to be able to like have an insight on what a week in my life at URI is. But the problem is I don't have a vlogging camera. I have a DSLR. And I know a lot of vloggers have the G7X, and that's a solid $700, and I'm being straight up, I do not have $700 to splurge on a vlogging camera. But if you guys wouldn't mind if I did a week in my life and it was in my iPhone, let me know down below. Or if like I filmed some clips on my DSLR when I was like in my dorm room and some clips on my iPhone, let me know if that works too. And I'm sorry if this lighting isn't the best because I don't have my glasses on, so the viewfinder's just all blurry. But right now I'm using the Anastasia, whatever, Dip Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. This is what I use to fill in my eyebrows every single day. And when I go to work, I don't like to put on a ton of makeup. I usually just do foundation and bronzer and powder and my eyebrows and some mascara, and I'm good to go. And I just put on chapstick. But yeah, if you guys like wouldn't mind if I did a week in my life and some clips were on my DSLR and some were on my iPhone, let me know about that. Or I guess you can categorize my channel now as like a college YouTuber, but I really don't know like what videos to film about college because I posted on my Instagram because I wanted to do a Q&A about like my first semester and I didn't get any I think I got one question because I don't have that big of a Instagram following, so let me know what videos you guys want to see college related because I really want to help you guys out if you guys are in the college process. If you have any questions or like just want to see a week in my life of what like a typical student is like, I could do like the first week of classes kind of deal. Because now I'm just going to be coming out my breath. But yeah, it feels good to rant about this. But the next video I'm going to be filming, this will be up before it, but I'm going to upload this video maybe tomorrow, because today's Sunday, so it's probably be at Monday, and then I'm going to upload my 2018 resolutions and goals, possibly this weekend. I'm not sure yet, because I moved back to school on Saturday, so this will be up Friday. Or maybe I'll save it for Sunday, so I could upload then. Yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys because that's kind of where my blockage was for 2017. But I promise 2018, I know they say like new year, new me, but I want to grow my channel so much and put out as much content for you guys as I can. Alright, so right now I'm actually using the new Maybelline mascara. It's called Total Temptation. Oh my goodness, guys. If you guys don't have this mascara, a 10 out of 10 would recommend. Like, wow. Alright, so now I'm just going to put some chapstick on, and I think we are done. I'm just going to be using my baby lips because I love this stuff. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching this kind of like chit chat, sit down, get ready with me. If you guys want more of these, please let me know down below. It'll probably be like a more in-depth makeup look. But yeah, right now I'm going to be filming I'm going to stop this video and film another video so we can get on top of our 2018 game, because new year, new grind, let's go. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, please give a thumbs up and comment down below your video requests that you want to see from me in 2018, and also subscribe because 2018 is going to be the best year ever. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you all soon. Bye!